Hey, everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got an exciting and super useful tutorial for you. Have you ever wanted to extract the audio from a video and save it as an MP3 file directly on your iPhone? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to convert any video to audio using just your iPhone. So, let's jump right into it. To convert a video to an MP3, we'll use a neat little trick with the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. This method is super simple and doesn't require any third-party apps. We'll create an automated shortcut that will handle the conversion for us. First things first, make sure you have the Shortcuts app installed. It's a free app from Apple, and you can download it from the App Store if you don't already have it. Now, let's create our shortcut. Open the Shortcuts app and tap the plus button in the upper right corner to create a new shortcut. This will bring up a blank canvas for our new shortcut. For easier identification, let's rename this shortcut to something simple. I'll call it Convert to MP3. This way, we know exactly what it does just by looking at the name. Next, tap the Info button, which is located below, to access more settings. Here, we want to make sure that the Show in Share Sheet option. This will ensure our shortcut runs smoothly when we trigger it. Click Done to save your changes. Now, let's move on to the actual conversion settings. Click on the action card that says Any and set the file format. We'll reset all the selections by pressing Clear, then activate only the Media option. This ensures our shortcut knows we're working with media files. Now, tap on the Add Action button, search for Encode Media, and select it. You'll see an angle button, tap that to expand the menu. Here, we'll activate Audio Only, which will strip the video and leave just the audio. Next, search for Save File in the action list. Once you find it, add it to your shortcut. Expand its menu and toggle on Overwrite if file exists to avoid duplicates. Now, our shortcut will save the audio file without any issues. Before we test our shortcut, we need to ensure everything is configured correctly. Open the settings on your iPhone, scroll down to find the Shortcuts section, and go to the Advanced menu. Here, make sure the Allow Running Scripts option is activated. This setting is crucial, otherwise, your shortcut may not appear in the share sheet or function correctly. Now that our shortcut is set up and ready to go, let's test it out. Find the video file you want to convert to an MP3. Tap the Share button, which is usually at the bottom of the screen, and scroll through the list of options. You'll see the Convert to MP3 option we created earlier. Tap on it, and the shortcut will automatically start processing the video. The shortcut script will convert the video to audio and prompt you to save the file. Choose your preferred folder. For this demo, I'll save it to the Downloads folder in the On My iPhone directory. Tap Open to confirm and complete the process. Now, let's check if the file has been saved successfully. Open the Files app and navigate to the folder where you saved the MP3. As you can see, the video has been successfully converted to an MP3 file. By default, the MP3 file will have the same name as the original video. If you want to rename it, simply press and hold the file, tap Rename, and enter a new name. And that's it. You've successfully converted a video to an MP3 using your iPhone. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Converting video files to MP3 on your iPhone is now easier than ever with this simple shortcut method. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.